Close your textbooks. I get much. So the question says, it's page 272, example 3.38. The following figure shows a loaded bracket to support an eccentric load. Two rows of black bolts are arranged to the spacing as shown. Use the following stress values. We have a tensile stress, which is 145 MPa, and a shear stress, which is equal to 100 MPa. We need to calculate the diameter of the bolt and also the actual stress induced in the bolt. So before we can get to the diameter of the bolt, there are things that we need to calculate. So number one, we're going to calculate the sum of L. So determine about the bottom edge. So this is the formula for us to calculate. We are calculating the sum of LA again. Sum of LA is equal to N into L, L1 plus L2, L3 plus L4. So that is the formula for us to calculate the sum of LA. So N, how many rows do we have? N is for rows. So they told us we have 2 rows of black bolts again. So N, we are going to substitute 2 because we have 2 rows of the bolts. And then L1, this is your L1, your L1 it is 45. L1, remember will be LA from the center of the bolt to another bolt again. So as you can see, this is bolt number 1. And bolt number 1 we have 45, that is ending here or starting here at the center of the bolt line 1. So all these distances that you see, 45, 88, it's from center to center, center to center, center to center. As you can see, I've represented by the line there. So L1, it is 45. So it's going to be 45 squared. And then what is L2? L2 is 80. L2 is 80. That is not how we do it. L2, you are going to say L1, which is equal to 45, plus the second one, which is 80. So it's 45 plus 80. What do we get? You take the 45 plus 8. L1 is 45. L2 is 45 plus 8. L3, it is the answer that you get here, or you can say 45 plus 80 plus 8. So 45 plus 80, what do we get? 125. So that is our L2, 125 squared. L3, I'm not okay. L3 is going to be 45 plus 80 plus 80. So 45 plus 80 plus 80, what do we get? 205. More, in this kind of eccentric load, the first thing that you need to calculate is the sum of LA. So this is the formula. N is for the rows, so we have 2 rows. L1, L2, L3, L4. For L1, we are going to take the center to center, which is 45. And then you need to start at the bottom. So L2 is going to be 45 plus 8. L3 is going to be 45 plus 80 plus 8. L4 is going to be 45 plus 80 plus 80 plus 8. Like which is? It's the formula or another calculator to be. Oh, do mobile business so L2.1, L2.2, L2.3, L2.4. So you know, L1, L2, L3, L4. No, the way can we go? L3 205 squared, and then L4 250. L4 is 45 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 45. You're from what? Plus 45. Hey. Is it not the last one? L1, I get repeat 45, this one again. L2, it's 45 plus 8. Not 80, check it. 1, 2, 3, okay. L2, it's 45 plus 8. L3, 45 plus 80 plus 80, okay. And then L4 is 45 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80, okay. 285. Prefer 280. The bolts for the LJ, L1 for bolt 1, bolt 2, bolt 3, bolt 4. How many bolts do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we have 4 number of bolts. So, square deal for my final answer. Final answer. Okay. 281 800, and then the SI unit is millimeters squared. Okay, so this is another example again. This is another eccentric load. So if they were to say we should determine the EL squared, which is the sum of L about the bottom edge, the formula here is sum of LA is equal to N divided by L 2.1 plus L 2.2 or L1, L2, L 2.3, L 2.4. How many balls do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's L 2.5. So what is our N? What is our N? The following image is of a loaded bracket to support an eccentric load. 2 rows of black balls are arranged. I said N emitting number of rows, so they told us for N it's 2. So now our N is 2, and then L, what is L number 1? It is 36 again. So we square it. L2, how do we do it? It's 36 plus 70. What do we get? 36 plus 70. You guys? 106. And then L3 is 36 plus 70 plus 70. What? 176. And then L4 is going to be 36 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70. Okay, okay. 246. And then plus 70, again it's L5, it's 5 balls, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, this one you have 7. So it's 36 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70. What do we get? 206. Meanwhile, we have 246. 306 square. Like, we should create sum of LA again. 246 plus 70 over 306. 70 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70. 36 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70. We always start at the bottom. Can you write something in the calculator? Let's start. L1, it's 36 again. We square it. L2, it's 36 plus 70. What do we get? 106. Let's mathematician. Please, punch and calculate. 1 plus 1, punch and calculate. L3, 36 plus 70 plus 70. You guys. 176 square. L4, 36 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70. We always start at the bottom again. If 4 balls, more put the LJ4. Right now we're having 5 L's again. So give 5. So 1, 2, 3. Here for the Rajang, it's 36 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70. What do we get? 2, 4, 6 squared, and then L5? 3, 1, 6 squared. Do you understand? So let us continue with the and reading. Again? And number of rows. Rows, yes. 1 row, 2 rows. Yes. So number 1, we calculate the sum of LA